Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 first hands-on look is out. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 first real looks are out, and we also get the confirmed specification of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. And this first look also confirms a new color of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. The Unpack event is not far away, as it is going to happen on August 10th, where we will see a Z Fold 4, Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. But if you want to reserve Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 or any other device, you can do it now from Samsung's official website. Or if you want to pre-order Z Fold 4, then Samsung will store pre-orders from the date it will launch on August 10th. The real live images of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 are out, and to my surprise this phone really looked wider from both inner and outer display. The crease on the Z Fold 4 is still visible, but less compared to the Z Fold 3. If you look closer to the hinge part, where Samsung showed their magic by putting a new hinge design which reduced the size of the phone and make it wider. And the cameras on Z Fold 4 looks bigger compared to the previous generation. And that is because Samsung is putting new cameras in Z Fold 4, 50 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom. And the color looks more like a blue one, but leaks are pointing towards only 3 color options: beige, phantom black and gray green. And I suppose this is a gray-green version or a new whole color. Meanwhile, the Z Fold 4 was also appeared on the Amazon Netherlands, where two models, 256 gigs version and 512 gigs version. The display will be wider as already seen in the real-life images. Z Fold 4 will have less weight compared to the Z Fold 3, around 8 grams less heavier than the Z Fold 3, standing at 263 grams instead of 271, with the same specs but less weight. These are some of the exclusive real looks of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, which cleared the design of the Z Fold 4 and hence will encourage people to go for it. Did you like the new color of Z Fold 4? And what are your thoughts on Z Fold 4 new inner and outer display? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video and comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.